I knew I wanted to work for myself really from a very early age. Both my parents are self-employed. I saw them create businesses and grow businesses, and I knew that that was something that I wanted to do. I saw the rewards that they got from it and wanted the same rewards.
I think it was from a young age I realised I didn't like to kind of follow the status quo. I wanted to kind of be my own boss and have the power to make decisions, overcome challenges, and that type of thing really. So I kind of always found the desire to kind of go out by myself and do that really.
I got into business because I found that people didn't believe in me. My headmaster, first of all, didn't believe in me. He said that I wasn't able to do my GCSEs, and I proved him wrong.
My favourite thing about being self-employed is every day is different. You know, I might be decanting chemicals one day, that's sort of a main thing of our business, but then I might be going to speak to people and building up relationships with them. So really having that variety is something that I really, really enjoy about being self-employed.
It's tough to be an entrepreneur, and I think there's no point sugarcoating it. It's a really tough thing to do, and you've got to have a lot of stickability, a lot of drive and determination, and just to not quit at it. And it's about that desire, and it's about that real determination. If you don't have that, and if you are prone to quitting easily, then it's probably not what you want to do. If you want it now, don't be an entrepreneur. It's about delayed gratification and being willing to do what it takes and get those rewards at the end of the journey.